Top 5 smart home devices for renters.
Looking to make your rental smarter without drilling holes or making permanent changes? Discover the top 5 renter-friendly smart home devices that are easy to set up, remove, and move when you do. These gadgets add security, comfort, and convenience, all with zero installation hassles.
1. Smart plugs.
Smart plugs are a renter's best friend. Plug them into any standard outlet and transform ordinary appliances into smart devices. Control lights, fans, or coffee makers with your phone or voice assistant. Most smart plugs support schedules and energy monitoring, making them versatile and energy efficient without any wiring required.
2. Smart light bulbs.
Swap regular bulbs with smart LED bulbs for instant lighting upgrades. No wiring, drilling, or special installation. Just screw them into existing fixtures. You can adjust brightness and color, set schedules, and control your lights from anywhere. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and smartphone apps. Smart bulbs are perfect for renters seeking flexibility.
3. Video doorbells with battery power.
Battery-powered video doorbells provide extra security without any hardwiring. Simply mount the device using removable adhesive strips or non-damaging brackets. These doorbells offer high-definition video, two-way audio, and motion alerts to your phone. When you move, just attach and take them with you, leaving no trace behind.
4. Smart speakers and displays.
Smart speakers and displays are the ultimate all-in-one rental tech. Set them on any surface to enjoy voice control of your smart home, news updates, timers, and more. Many models let you make video calls or play music throughout your space. All you need is Wi-Fi and a power outlet. No installation needed.
5. Wireless security cameras.
The mounted home security cameras are also wireless. Place these cameras on shelves, attached to metal with magnets, or use adhesive mounts. Since they don't require drilling or wiring, they're perfect for renters who need flexible, non-intrusive home security.
Upgrade your rental, hassle-free.
With these 5 renter-friendly devices, you can enhance comfort, convenience, and security in any rental space. No tools, no mess, and no worries when it's time to move. Try one or all and make your rented home truly your own.